Using that pilot rope, crews pulled stronger ropes. Then came the catwalk. A catwalk is a temporary suspended walkway used by workers during cable construction. Support ropes were stretched across the canyon, mesh panels were installed, hand ropes and safety netting were added, and eventually a narrow working path connected both sides of the gorge. Imagine walking on a temporary metal path suspended thousands of feet above a river, surrounded by wind, mist, cliffs, and open sky. That was the workplace for the cable crews. Then the main cables began. Unlike what many people imagine, the main cables were not lifted as one giant piece. They were built from many individual high-strength wires. Wire after wire was pulled across the canyon, over the saddles, and into the anchorages. Slowly, the open wire bundles grew thicker. First one main cable alignment, then the second. Once enough wires were in place, the bundles were compacted into round cable shapes. Hydraulic machines squeezed the wires together, temporary ties held them tight, and then wrapping machines applied protective wire and corrosion coating. Now the bridge had its two great parabolic main cables, but the deck still did not exist. Next came the cable bands. These heavy steel clamps were installed at regular intervals along the main cables. Each band would become a connection point for vertical hanger cables. Crews bolted halves around the wrapped cables, tightened them carefully, checked spacing, and prepared them for the hanger system. Then the vertical hangers were installed. One by one, ropes dropped from the cable bands toward the empty space where the bridge deck would later hang. At this stage, the bridge finally began to look like a suspension